Hi guys, welcome to the Coinbot. Today I'm looking at my Coinpot account and I'm going to show how you can earn 13 stars a day and probably more if you've never done this strategy before. Okay, so I'll show you. If you click on the top right corner of your screen, it brings up your stars when it loads. Okay, so you can see I've earned 0 today. And if we go down, we're looking for this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So if you've never done this strategy before, your first few times you're going to make a lot of stars, and then it'll be 13 a day because you've done all your bonuses, but we'll go through it now. Okay, so if I click on multiplier on the left side, now you want to do your settings exactly the same as mine, otherwise it won't work. Coinbot's a little slow today by the looks of it. Let me try and reload that. Okay, so go into your auto roll settings. So general, change all your settings to exactly the same as mine, and then click on win, set it exactly the same. On lose, set it exactly the same, and then press close. Now what I do, I'll have probably anything from 12 to 15 windows open, so I'll just open them up now. Duplicate, duplicate. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and then we go back to the first one. Make sure it's multiplied by 2, and we're going on 1 token, so we do that for all the open windows. Okay, so I'll go through it now. That's the first one, that's the second one, third, fourth, fifth, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I go back to my first page, and if I click on my stars, okay, I've got back in now. So I haven't collected any stars yet, as you can see. So you should have all your windows open and running. It'll probably take anywhere from 30 to 40 minutes, depending how many windows. Obviously, the more windows you've got open, the faster it'll be. But because I'm recording this, I can't have too many open because it'll just slow my computer down. So what I'll do, I'll stop the video now. I'll wait until they've all finished, and then I'll come back and show you all the stars I've collected. So check you in a bit. Okay, so we're back in the account now. So the multiplier is finished. If you click on the top right star in the corner, it'll bring up this page, and you can see that I've collected 13 stars. So if it's your first time doing this strategy, you will obviously get a lot more. So I'll just scroll down. You would have collected those 4. You would have got those 2. You would have probably got those 2. You would definitely have got those 2, and hopefully you would have got these ones as well, depending how long you've run it for. So if we go back into the account, into dashboard, your total will be here. Now the trick is you want to do this every day to build up all your tokens. Don't just convert. However, say you've got 1400, don't just convert them. You want to save them up every day, and then what you can do is convert tokens to Bitcoin. So if I converted all of that, I would get that much. But obviously you want to keep doing this daily, add it up, add it up, add it up, keep saving it up, and then do a big withdrawal. And obviously up here you've got your lottery tickets, so you can click that, and then you can enter the daily lottery when it loads. So just click this button here, 3%, well, 0.3%. So there we go, just keep doing it daily. The link to sign up is in the description. Cheers guys.